Ninth class. Yes, students, good morning. चैप्टर नाजिज्म एंड द राइज ऑफ हिटलर की क्वेश्चन आंसर चल रहे थे। क्वेश्चन फोर्थ पर थे कल, परंतु डिस्टर्ब होने के कारण वो अधूरा रह गया था। उसको पुनः देखेंगे। एक्सप्लेन वाई नाजी प्रोपेगेंडा वाज affected in creating a hatred for joy। तो नाजी प्रोपेगेंडा आंसर है इस क्वेश्चन का। नाजी प्रोपेगेंडा वाज इफेक्टिव in creating a hatred for joys because of the following reasons. First, role of traditional Christians. Joys remained the worst sufferers in Nazi Germany. Nazis' hatred for joys had in precious in the traditional Christians hostility towards joys. They had been stereotyped as killers of Christ, stereotyped as killers of Christ, and users until medieval times. Joys were varied from owning land. They survived mainly through trade and money lending. Point second, various theories. The Nazis started using theories of Darwin and Herbert Spencer to propagate against joy, so people started justifying their hatred for joy as they were considered inferior race and had no right to survive. According to these two theories. Point third, propaganda at school level. Nazis started their propaganda from school level. School textbooks were rewritten to justifying ideas of race. Fourth, propaganda at home. Motherhood was also used by Nazis to propaganda against the joys. Mothers were supposed to teach their children Nazi values. There was a code of conduct for all the women. Fifth, propaganda through press and radio. The Nazi regime need languages and media with care. Propaganda against the joys. Nazi idea were spread through visual image like films, radio, movies, etc. Joys were shown as rats and paste. Various code words were used to eliminate the joys to protect the government from the world racism. Question fourth finish. Question fifth. Explain what role women had in Nazi society. Return to chapter first on the French Revolution. Write a paragraph comparing and contrasting the role of women in the two people. Answer: role of women in Nazi society, equality of opportunity for both gender had become in an expected principle by democracy everywhere in the world. What in Nazi Germany woman was what in Nazi Germany woman was valuable only as a mother of pure Nordic children. She was encouraged to preserve the party of preserve the purity of Aryan race and never to get involved in love affair with a Joy or a Russian or a Pole. Those held guilty of love making with such persons were pardoned with 7 heads through the streets. On the other hand, women should take pride in giving birth to as many children as they could. A comparative study of the role of women during Nazi rule and the French Revolution. First point, women played an important role in the French Revolution. They took an equal part in social and political developments of their country. On the other hand, the Nazi thought that it was wrong on the part of women to demand their rights. Second, most of the French women had to work for living along with the men, but German women were not allowed to work doing with men. Third, in French, both men and women were treated equal. What in Germany, women were considered nothing more than the wearers of the Aryan culture and race. Fourth point, French women were free to change their patterns, but there was code of conduct for the German women. They were not allowed to mix with anyone except Nordic Aryans. Question 6. In what ways did the Nazi state seek to Estevanian, Estevanian, Stalinism, total control over the people. And in what ways did the Nazi state seek to establish total control over the people? Question 6 answer. The Nazi state seek to establish total control over its people in the following ways. First point, political control. Politically, Germany was a single party system where only the Nazi party could wide power other parties in political. First point, political control. Politically, Germany was a single party system where only the Nazi party could wide power other parties had been banned. The state was led by as all powerful leader. Even the army and judiciary were also controlled by Nazi party. Second point, economic control. The Minister of Economic controlled all financial institutions such as banks and insurance companies. He also exercised rigged control over industries. He also exercised rigged control over industries, factories, and trading and commercial activities. In order to supply food to soldiers, many articles of food were rationed. Bags, rates, and price of all articles of daily we were fixed. Third, control over education. To propagate Nazism, the whole education system was put under the control of the state. School textbooks were Nazism, the whole education system was put under the control of the state. School textbooks were rewritten. Racial science was introduced to justify the idea of race. Jewish teachers and Jewish children were thrown out of the school. Fourth, control over social and cultural life. The whole of the media, educational system, and sports activities were controlled by the state. यानी कंट्रोल ओवर स्कूल एंड सोशल एंड कल्चरल लाइफ में द होल ऑफ द मीडिया एजुकेशनल सिस्टम and sports activities were controlled by the state. Media, educational system and sports activities were controlled by the state. Women had become second-class citizens in Germany. Their concerns should be their kitchens and giving birth to healthy children. Hundreds of thousands of Germans suffering from hereditary disease were sterilized and thus prevented from giving birth to weak and unhealthy children. जो स्टेरलाइज्ड यानी hereditary disease were sterilized and thus prevented from giving birth to weak and unhealthy children. Finish.